2007 Chevy TrailBlazer SS, equipped with towing package. A two-owner car with only 51,000 miles. Last owner, 2009 to 2024. This is a virtually rust-free, unmodified example and very hard to find. With 51,900 very, very low original miles. No winters. Hardly ever driven in the rain. Always garaged. Adult owners. Everywhere you look, the vehicle is stunning, impeccable. Right to the wax door jambs, seat tracks, carpets, absolutely spotless. No stains, not smoked, just a beautiful, beautiful car. Equipped with sun and sound, factory TVD, factory sunroof with headphones and remotes. Door jambs, spectacular. Again, no rust. Always garaged. All adult owners. Meticulously maintained. Factory power driver's seat. All the buttons just in beautiful, beautiful condition. A very rare find with the factory cloth, which is highly desirable. Here's the OnStar factory CD player, spotless. Just within the last month, had a full paint correction and ceramic coating. Tires like new. Everywhere you look under the hood. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful rust-free frame with original V8 sticker, original factory crayon marks. A very, very hard to find TrailBlazer SS in this spectacular condition. Right down to the original V8 sticker on the frame. Only about 2 small door dings to the whole car. Spectacular again. Absolutely has to be one of the nicest or the nicest one you will find. Fully serviced, garage in a humidity-controlled atmosphere. 2007 Chevy TrailBlazer SS.